Hey, how's it going, George? It's Devin again. Thank you so much for talking to me on the phone, and thank you for clicking on this video. I'm just going to show you 3 easy things you can do so you can start beating Metro air conditioning when somebody types in HVAC Dallas because they come up number one. This is a back page, it doesn't really count. So, I know you're probably wondering why I'd even make this video for you, and it's really simple. I found there's a lot of business owners out there that are just so busy running their business, they don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more business. And the only thing stopping them from hiring somebody is they don't know who is an expert and who's not. So I found that when I make these attack plans and I give these away for free, a lot of business owners do this stuff themselves, but some call me back and have me do it for them. Whatever you want to do with this information is okay with me. It's my gift to you. What I'm going to talk to you today about is 3 things: content, backlinks, and citations. And I know you already know this, but you do have a beautiful looking website. I just wanted to let you know that that logo is very, very unique. I've never seen something like that. And the design is great. The animation's really great. The color changing. Everything's really nice here. What Google cares mostly about is this stuff right here, all this content. And they want to see a lot of it. They want the average website on the front page of Google has about 2,000 words. And you currently have 223. Now, your main competitor, Metro Air Conditioning, these guys currently have 1,331. So it's one of the main reasons I'm outranking you, because content is king in this industry. But by getting yourself to 2,000 words, you're going to blow them out of the water. One last quick tip on that is you want to put keywords inside of your content. And a keyword, it's just a phrase that somebody types into Google to find your business. So like HVAC Dallas, that's searched 2,000 times a month. So if I go over here and I put this in, you don't have that anywhere in your text. So when you're writing those extra words to get yourself up to 2,000, make sure you put HVAC Dallas in there a couple times. You can also save your images as that. So that's my first tip. My second tip is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website on the internet is linking to you, driving traffic to you. This is really important because Google's kind of like a popularity contest, and they want to see a bunch of other trustworthy websites vouching for you. But they do want to see relevant links, so they're going to give you a lot more power if you have other HVAC companies linking to you versus having like Pizza Hut linking to you. Google knows you're not a pizza company. So the tool I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. It is a paid tool. You don't have to use it. There are free tools out there. You can just Google, backlink checker. But it says you currently have 12 websites linking to you. If you go over to Metro Air Conditioning, these guys have 73 websites linking to them. So the best way to outrank them is just to copy them, because if the links are good enough to rank them, they're good enough to rank you too. So I would just go visit this their backlink profile and go down here and look at all the different links that they have. And if you visit these websites, sometimes you have to create a profile and put a link in your profile to your homepage. Sometimes you may have to click the Contact Us button and email the owner. But whatever they had to do, you're going to have to do too. And by following just those 2 tips, that's how you take their organic spot. The best place to show up is in the map. This is where the most traffic goes, and getting here requires having more citations than your competitors. Citations anywhere where your name, address, and phone number is listed in a directory is listed in a directory. And a directory is a website that allows you to list your business's information. So that's like Yelp and Yellow Pages and stuff like that. So what I'd recommend you do is figure out what directories these guys are in. I'd put yourself in those same directories and then add a bunch more on top. So if the top guy was in like 150 directories, I'd be putting myself in like 300. And that's all I've got for you, George. I hope you found this informative and helpful. I tried to keep this short and sweet and to the point for you. As a quick recap, you want 2,000 words on this homepage, and you want keywords inside of that content. You're going to want to beat Metro and the amount of backlinks they have, so I'd get like a total of 100. And I'd put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than these guys. And if you follow these 3 tips, that's how you become number 1 across all of Google. So what I recommend you do is take this information and start implementing it right away, because it does take not a long time, but it does take some time to achieve all this. And the sooner you get started, the sooner you start getting paid for it. If you have any extra questions, or if you want to just continue running your business and you don't want to spend the time to do this, give me a call. My phone number is right down here. You can get at the bottom right. You can give me a call anytime. And I look forward to hearing your feedback, George. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great day.